Hey guys, welcome to another episode of XF. I am doing a how-to video here of how to make a Minecraft server or slash a Bukkit server. As you can see here, I've made or cleared my desktop. You can't really see anything because I just made it little, but I will be showing you how to make a Bukkit server or a Bukkit server, so do not worry guys. First things first, you want to load up your internet or anything you use. So as it loads, alright, here we go, it's loading. Alright, now what you want to type is Bukkit. Or actually, how about this? Let's go load up a thing, which I will put in the comments. Craft Bukkit, it's much easier. It shows you all the servers you can use here. So I can see there's 1.4, 1.4, and here's the one I'm going to use. I haven't used it yet, so hopefully it will work. But let's download it, shall we? So we're going to download this and put it on my desktop. So as it's done loading, what you want to do next is you want to make a new folder and call it anything you would like. I'm just going to call mine Bukkit, and I'm just going to wait for mine. Alright, now what you want to do is you want to place this into your folder, and next what you want to do is you want to make a thing called a text document. Then what you want to do is you want to call it run, start, anything you want to do. Run, and then make sure you have .bat. Oh wait, maybe I got that wrong. I think I got it wrong. Hold on. Let's see here. Did I do it wrong? It's not here. Text document. Hopefully it's not working for me. Stop that. Somehow it's not working. Hold on. I'll just go. Alright, so, but yes, that should work. But I'm gonna go on my world file here. Go on my servers. And go on my server. And I'm going to get this right here. I'm going to put it on my desktop. Now this is something I do not use, so do not worry. And I'm going to put it in there. Make sure to edit it. Oh, yes, but I will. Then what you want to do is you want to... I'm going to delete all this. Now what you want to do... Actually, no, I needed that. Undo, but... Yes, now what you want to do is you should have this page. I'm just going to erase that. But you should have this little page once you edit it. Now what you want to do is you want to copy this whole sentence. So, craft Bukkit 1.4.4 R0.2 1120 dot 1359032. There you go. Now that's done. Now what you want to do is you want to scroll over here. Do you see this? Once you see this, I'll just turn it to the normal thing, which is just Java. What you want to do is I'll put in the comments you need to get Java 7. If you have a 64-bit, you need Java 7 to be able to run this. If you have 32-bit, you need Java 6. But what you want to do is you want to go to your computer. Alright. You want to scroll down. You want to scroll down until you find program files. Program files is for 64-bit program computers, and program files 86 is the one I use, but I'm gonna use program files because it's better. You want to go there. I have them both, so it works for me. I'm going to go to Java 7, Ben, and you want to go up here and highlight this. Copy. I'm just going to minimize that. And you want to copy that, and you want to paste it there. Now you should have this in here. Now what you want to do is you want to do /java.exe. Make sure you put these marks. I forgot what they were called. But yes, they're very important. Now what you want to do, if you're using a 32-bit, you want to have 1 gigabyte. If you're using a 64-bit, you make sure you have 30 3 gigabytes and 2 gigabytes here. Alright, I would, but here, I'll just do it for you. So this is a 64-bit, and this is a 32-bit, unless your computer's really special. Now what you want to do is you want to save it. Now, it should work. If it doesn't work for me, I don't know why. But yes, it should work for me. Yep, it's working. Now what you want to do is you want to just wait for that. Come on. You want to wait for it to load, and you should start to have all these programs. These are what you need. Oh yes, guys. If you're having a problem with Notepad or anything with the plugins and all that, I will do a tutorial on how to do those as soon as I start to learn. But guys, yes, I will start to do a mod spotlights and others. I'm just trying to put some random stuff in here until this is finished. But might as well. I should load up my Minecraft. Yes, I will do that right now. I'm gonna load up my Minecraft. Hopefully it won't lag as much. Oh gosh. Oh, actually, on a second thought, I'm gonna do that on another thing. But as you can see, it's working here. Then what you want to do is you want to type /stop. Oops. You want to type /stop. It should be done as soon as it's done saving the chunks for levels. Now you want to push any key. Then, as you can see here, you have this folder. You want to click this folder. You should see this. Now, if you don't want to have, alright, so true, you already know is hell. Never lame, you want to leave this. Enable core, I don't really know what this is, but enable flight, you might need that for some things, but you don't have to. It just disables flight. Well, it allows players to fly, but it will give them a message, do not fly. So I'm going to make that true. Now the server port, I will talk to you about that later. The level C, you don't have to place that there, but the server IP. Now, here's the special part. You want to go up here to your start menu, and you want to go down here and type CMD. Now, you should have this. Now, what you want to do is you want to type ipconfig and hit enter. Now, you should scroll up and you see this number, IPv4 address. And you want to copy that into your thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. Copy my thing. 192.168.0.112. Now, there, that's good. Now, NPCs, it just spawns regular villages. Whitelist, I don't make my servers whitelisted unless I'm doing adventure maps. Spawn animals, you don't have, you can turn that off. Snooper enable. I forgot what that was called, but I will soon figure it out. The hardcore means if you die, you lose all your items and you can't pick them all back. Only other players can pick them. Texture pack, you want to put that there, and enable texture pack for other players. Online mode means only online players can join. And you can change that to false if people don't have a Minecraft account, but they can still join your server. PvP means people can player versus player. Difficulty means you can change it to 0, which is peaceful. 1 is easy. 2 is normal. 3 is hardcore mode. And 4, yes, there. 0 game mode means you can change 0 to survival. 1 is creative, and 2 is adventure mode. Flex players, you can change that to anything. Just make sure you don't make it anything higher than 100 if you run 30 players only if you're running on 1 gigabyte only. But I usually do on a 5 players. Spawn monsters, you might want to make that true because people will hate it. They can't really make the bows and all that. Generate structures, it's the NPC villages. View distance, it gives the maximum view, like 10 equals 100, 100 equals 1,000, and all that. Motto means it's the thing for your server, so when it's up, it'll give them a hint like my how to. But guys, I will be ending this video now because there will be a part 2. So yes, Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch my part 2 video.